The REDTIGER F17 4K 3-channel dashcam is a highly capable device designed to provide a comprehensive all-around view for drivers looking to enhance their security on the road. This dashcam boasts 4K front recording with 2 additional 1080p cameras inside and at the rear, ensuring you capture every angle. Whether you're driving through daylight or low-light conditions, the F17 has you covered with advanced night vision technologies, including WDR and HDR. This makes it ideal for both night driving and capturing clearer footage in poorly lit environments. It doesn't stop there. The F17 integrates 5 GHz Wi-Fi and GPS, allowing seamless video sharing via the REDTIGER app. You can view footage and track your route in real time, making it a perfect choice for drivers who need detailed evidence in case of accidents. It also supports dual-channel recording at 2.5K and can be set to 4K front and 1080p rear recording for more comprehensive footage. What makes the F17 stand out is its triple parking monitor system, featuring collision detection and time-lapse modes to protect your vehicle even when it's parked. The inclusion of a supercapacitor ensures it works reliably under extreme temperatures, while the 18-month guarantee and 24/7 customer support reflect the brand's confidence in its product. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive into the pros and cons. Pros: comprehensive coverage. The triple camera system, front, rear, and inside, provide 360-degree view, keeping your vehicle fully protected. Superior night vision. Thanks to WDR and HDR, you'll get clear footage even in dark environments. Ease of use. 5 GHz Wi-Fi and the REDTIGER app make it easy to view, share, and store your footage. Parking protection. The parking modes ensure that your car is covered even when you're away. Reliable power. The supercapacitor ensures the cam continues to work in extreme temperatures. Cons: installation complexity. The triple camera setup might require professional installation to ensure optimal positioning, especially for the rear and inside cameras. Storage limitation. While it comes with a 64GB SD card, heavy footage can quickly fill up this space, so you might need to upgrade for long-term usage. Interface complexity. Some users report that the app interface could be more user-friendly, especially when managing multiple cameras. Value for money. Considering its range of features, 4K front recording, 3-channel coverage, night vision, and advanced parking modes, this dashcam is certainly a strong contender for drivers who want comprehensive security. While it's priced slightly higher than entry-level models, the added benefits make it worth the investment for those prioritizing protection. Comparison. Compared to similar models like the Vantrue N2 Pro or the Garmin Dashcam Tandem, the REDTIGER F17 stands out with its 4K front recording and dual recording modes. However, the Vantrue N2 Pro offers a more straightforward installation process for beginners. If you're looking for a dashcam that offers more than just basic coverage, the F17 is a strong option. Its triple camera setup ensures you're well covered in case of an accident, and the enhanced night vision helps provide clarity in any lighting conditions. Who it's for. This dashcam is perfect for daily commuters and families who need all-around protection, especially for those who travel at night or leave their car parked for extended periods. Conclusion: strong option. If you want a dashcam that offers comprehensive protection with advanced features like 5 GHz Wi-Fi, GPS, and triple camera coverage, the REDTIGER F17 is a top choice. It's ideal for those looking for reliable performance day and night, both on the road and while parked. Final CTA: if this review is helping you see the value of the REDTIGER F17, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more in-depth reviews of top-tier auto tech. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep your ride autovated.